discussion on effective IP addressing in MNCs. So we are finding that a lot of MNCs are facing a challenges in IP address allocation because they have their multiple branches worldwide and they have their own data centers and other sort of remote employees as well. So they find a challenge in IP address allocation. So our work here is to identify the challenges faced by these MNCs and find a better solution to solve this kind of issues with security. So I'll give you 5 to 10 minutes. You can discuss among yourself and give me a better solution. So hope you have completed your discussion. You can now start providing your views on the problem statement given.
I'm going to talk about the challenges. A lot of company uses IPv4 addressing and they go through the addresses very rapidly. So if the subnetting is used advantageously, it can be advantageous or it may cause a network congestion.
As Mitra said, there are more two challenges. There are security concerns. In the lack of structured IP segmentation, it breaches to network and security risks. Coming to scalability problems, and the company grow faster and IP address scheme does not allow large expansion. These are the challenges.
Okay, by overcoming these addressed problems, we can use IP address classes, which is known as structures, that is divided into 5 classes: A, B, C, D and E. They are ranged from host to host per network. That is, A class have around 65 million users per host, and the least E class have about 26 hosts per network. So we can use these as per requirements.
E and D are not allowed for public, right?
Yes. In the recent times, most of the corporates are using MAC layer protocol for their security for IP. MAC is nothing but media access control, which is 16-bit unique address. From this, we can access with the network, current corporate network easily. No other attack can be done on that corporate network. And then another one is request response option. Only certain computers can be requested at a time. So that way we can easily neglect the phishing attacks.
So by adopting the both features, now there are various types of network adapters. So there are like majorly two types are used in the companies. One is a virtual NAT and another one is a local NAT. Where virtual NAT is used globally. It is a wireless network protocol. It has a unique features like Oracle and many other companies are using that. Even in local networks, like within a company, the local networks are used.
Yeah, so gathering upon all the points, and I would like to add up to the conclusion that what is more important now is IP, right? Just let us get into the non-technical way of looking at IP. It is nothing but address of reaching from, for example, home to your college. Your home could be the place where you reach at times, right? So it actually mostly as acts as server, where the company's database is mostly reserved to, and the organization is maybe the client or maybe the end user who is actually wishing to access the IP. So IP is more like the route. So imagine like there is something, a hindrance that is coming up when you are going to home. What do? So we'll try to take another route or if it is at a big level, the government will try to intervene and try to secure the place, and they will protect that road. So it is based upon, similar to that is what IP also. There are various types of classes in IP. If there are a specific kind of people who wish to use IP, then it is open to them. So in such ways, there is security that is coming up, and that is how it is tuning up to reserve it for people and big companies, and slowly demolishing all the hindrances. That's all about my take on IP, and here is an end of the discussion. Thank you.
Thank you all.